Ms. Trevino?
Aye.
All right.
Just one moment.
Mhm.
Okay. All right, so we are in the courtroom. I am going to go on the record, I am hearing remote hearings. I'm calling Pecos County cause number P 705283CV. This is November 18th, 2022, approximately 12:27 p.m. Sitting as a remote court pursuant to COVID-19 emergency orders currently in place, sitting as a visiting associate judge, hearing cases on referral. On behalf of the appointed Associate Judge Karen Lewis and on referral from Pecos County. Again, Pecos County cause number P 705283CV. In the interest of Anne, is it Anne?
Amy. Yes.
Amy. So Amy or Amy?
Amy.
Amy Navarra, a child, present on a suit for modification of support order, motion to confirm support arrearage, filed by the Attorney General of Texas, May 13, 2022. Attorney General is present virtually through Assistant Attorney General Justin Hawkins. Mother of the child, Christian Rodriguez, present virtually. Father of the child, Felix Navarra, was served June 8, 2022. He was served in a Texas Department of Corrections facility. He did check into court early this morning, but left or dropped out. He has not rechecked in. And you're wishing to proceed with the default order concerning that, Mr.
Yes, Your Honor.
And your witness?
Would be Miss Christian Trevino.
Ms. Trevino? I mean, Ms. Rodriguez? Trevino Rodriguez.
Yes.
Raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm that any testimony you give before the court today will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
State your name for the record.
I'm sorry?
State your name for the record.
Christian G. Trevino Rodriguez.
All right, you may proceed.
The state would like to start by offering an updated pay record as State's Exhibit 1 and an inmate information sheet as State's Exhibit 2.
Okay, so State's Exhibit 1 is the financial record, Ms. Rodriguez, Trevino Rodriguez. And I am looking at the end of last month, or October 31st of 2022. And on that date, it showed that Mr. Navarra owed child support arrears of $8,046.98 and medical support arrears of $2,402.32. Do you have any objections to this record or the calculations therein?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. State's Exhibit 1 is admitted. Then don't believe I have, oh yes, I do, there it is. I also have State's Exhibit 2, which is a TDC information sheet stating that Mr. Navarro is incarcerated. His maximum sentence goes through 2025. His projected release date is 2025. He becomes parole eligible in 2021, but that's long gone and it has not happened as of yet. And he is currently incarcerated. Is that any objections to that document?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. And I will admit State's Exhibit 2 as well.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor. Ms. Trevino Rodriguez, has Mr. Navarro provided any direct support to you?
No.
Has he had y'all's child for any extended amount of time outside of the visitation order?
No, not at all.
Ma'am, do you have any issues, safety concerns with your information being in the order?
No.
Okay. I always got to make sure I pass the witness.
Okay. So do you know of any income that Mr. Navarro has while he's incarcerated?
Honestly, no, Your Honor.
Okay. So what type of work did he do before incarceration?
I heard about Subway.
Okay, so he was working for someone. He doesn't own like rental properties he could make an income off of while not working actively, or a trust fund or anything of that nature.
No, Your Honor. No.
According to the Texas Family Code, I must have evidence of income if he's incarcerated for greater than 90 days, which obviously from the TDC record, it's greater than 90 days. Do you have, and so if I can't use minimum wage, his child support would be zero based on zero income. Do you have any information of income that I should be using to set child support?
No, Your Honor.
All right. And do you have regular contact with Mr. Navarro?
No,
Okay, so you don't know about any
nothing.
upcoming release or anything?
No.
Okay. All right, just give me one moment. And you have Medicaid coverage, or how do you have is that what I
Yes.
heard? Okay. All right, I find that this court has jurisdiction. Evidence would support a finding that there is child support arrears owed by Mr. Felix Navarro Jr. in the total sum as of October 31st, 2022, child support of $8,046.98, medical support of an additional $2,402.32. Both of those amounts are reduced to judgment against Mr. Navarro. Order Mr. Navarro to pay the child support judgment at the rate of $200 per month, the medical support judgment at the rate of $50 per month, beginning December 1st, 2022, monthly thereafter until fully paid. I found that Mr. Navarro is incarcerated and has been incarcerated for a period of greater than 90 days. Therefore, pursuant to the Texas Family Code, I am not allowed to presume minimum wage and must have direct evidence of income. Having heard none, I hereby modify support and order Mr. Navarro to pay $0 per month in child support, cash medical support, and cash dental support beginning December 1st, 2022. Order Ms. Trevino Rodriguez to provide medical coverage through government sources. Income withholding is ordered. Cost of court in the case are taxed against Mr. Navarro to be paid as billed by the district clerk upon release. Anything further before the court and not addressed?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
All right, so Ms. Rodriguez, what will happen is Mr. Hawkins' office will draft this into a written order and file it with the court. Once I have reviewed and signed it, a copy will be mailed to both you and Mr. Navarro. And, but for today, you are free to go. All right?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, so do we have another hearing, or you need to go visit with the other?
We'll
party?
have the default with Mr. Anaya. Then I believe we'll only have Carrasco and Gonzalez left, which could go one of either way. I'm not sure. I don't think anybody's spoken to them yet.
Okay,
Nobody's spoken to them yet.
Okay. But hopefully Anaya is quick, swift, and easy. We'll see. I'll go find out what's going on.